It was the bar, the lawyers who stood up and fought against the tyranny back in 2007 against their dictatorship and restored the dignity and the respect of this judiciary as an institution. But let me remind you, we the lawyers did not fight against the tyranny to substitute one tyranny for another tyranny. We fought against that tyranny to bring peace, harmony, generosity, and to get away the unfairness and the indiscriminate attitude.
फिर हमी कत्ल हो